So, welcome back, Kings and Queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. I haven't even had my coffee yet today, but I wanted to hop on and talk about a few things. One, I've been going through my crafting stuff, trying to just go through and look at things I made this past year. Some things were great, some things not so great. I've worked with water slide, cardstock. I've made all kinds of cards and glasses, and almost everything you see in my videos in the last 12 months is all stuff I actually learned how to do in the last 12 months. Just so many things, and I'm so very grateful. Just got my mug press and sublimated my first mug. The only things that I've known how to do was my sewing and embroidery, and I've been wanting to show more of that. But a couple of things. I want to come on this year and craft my stash. I have so much fabric, cardstock, sticker paper, vinyl, all kinds of stuff. And so I want to craft my stash. There's things I want to show you guys how to make that I learned, either figured out or learned somewhere else in the last year of how to make. My notebooks were one that I don't think I had a chance to show people, so I wanted to show those things. Water slide is one of my favorite things. I've done a few videos on that, but I'm gonna see what I can do different with water slide. And I guess my big announcement is, been talking with my husband, and the next thing I want to do is a series called Crafting in Heels. And I'm so excited about that. So, like right now, I'm not on camera. I'm up. I'm in a sweatshirt, hair pulled back, and I would be crafting like this in my house. I know some of us hop on. We have our bonnets on, robes on, whatever. And we're trying to get it done. We're trying to make things happen for other people, encourage and empower people. So, good. I want to take it up a level, at least for the first 4 weeks of January, and see how it goes. I want to get dressed up. I want it to feel like a girls' night in, like a good time. Just look good, because when you look good, you feel good, and I'm hoping that'll give us good craft vibes. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm behind the scenes. We've been working on what that's going to look like. So Crafting with Heels is coming. More videos are coming. I never knew that I would be so excited about doing some of these things. So yeah, but there's so much coming. Oh, the other thing I wanted to remind you guys, first tell you, then remind you. Shout out to my husband. He got my computer working long enough that I could use my flash drive and get things off. And I use I loosely because he did it all. So thank you, Justin, for doing that for me. So that, and there was one last thing I wanted to say, and now I can't remember. I was so caught up on the flash drive. Oh, Facebook group. If you haven't joined the Facebook group, hop over and join the Facebook group. There's some great things I want to upload and do in the group this year. The group is brand new, and I'm really excited. It's called Crafting with Hope. It's about hope, optimism, positivity, encouragement. I just wanted to create a group where people felt comfortable coming in, sharing what they've done, and supporting one another. I know there's other groups out there, but every group has its own different vibe. And so this is our group and our vibe, and I'm excited about that. So those are the things I'm thinking about right now. I want to keep it short. Like I said, just looking through my stuff. All the things I've accumulated in my desk is messy. My Cricut pens, my glues, and I've been pulling stuff out, moving stuff around. I have all kinds of paints and everything else. So I told you guys before, I want to make things look different in 2022. And so I am really excited about some of the things that are coming along. But, I always say I hope this helps somebody. I don't know. I'm excited. I'm excited to go into the new year. I hope you guys are excited. I've done my vision board. I wanted to put my vision board on a mug using water slide. I used my last sheet of water slide yesterday. So my vision board will still be up, people. I believe strongly in it. It will still be up, but as soon as I get a chance, I will be putting my vision board on a mug and showing you guys that process too. So I'm excited. I'm excited for 2022. I hope you guys are excited. I hope you come along for the ride. Continue to like, comment, subscribe, share, and again, comment, because the things you guys are telling me, the things you guys want to see, are really important to the channel and how we're going to make things move along. So have a great New Year's Eve and have an awesome 2022. I hope this helps somebody.